They say it started like a wildfire. It's kind of funny that you had me written off dead. Now we're coming for the empire. So now you love me, but you ain't seen nothing yet. Go tell and watch me, keep your eyes on me. I caught you sleeping before, and now I'm in your head. You can't close it, the doors are open. Now you ain't seen nothing yet. They say it's starting like a wildfire. I feel it spreading in a new wave right now. Change the game, building an empire. If you're ready, we can start it up. We can spark this right now.
I hear the roar of the wildfire. It makes me wanna aim higher. We have to take control. I'm always chasing the path I'm facing, ignites the fighter. Time to take what's yours. Stand and watch us, keep your eyes on us. Always leaving our mark, living in your head. Can't contain us, there's no escaping. Now you ain't seen nothing yet. They say it's starting like a wildfire. I feel it spreading in a new wave right now. Change the game, build an empire. If you're ready, we can spark it up. We can spark this right now.
We're just getting started. Fire in the blood, but we're still cold-hearted. Eyes on the prize, do what we gotta do to secure our rise. Like pioneers with no fear, never back down, this our frontier. Ash on the path, don't get too near. Blazing a trail, never adhere. Yeah, the road